Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Adesha Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making groundnut soup in Katinkwani Akokonam Papa B. Let's cook.
See, me chicken, I made yes, is my coupon, and I made yes, is my cleaning fine with lemon, fresh lemon, and get cleaning now. Fine. Yes, is you used to hard chicken, I cook on near again. Three. So now I have my spices here. May the main spices now my blending in everything. Yeah. Spices I may use anise, thyme, onion, garlic, basil, pepper. What else? Ginger. See, I cook it drew, getting kitsing, anise, what friends, I cook messa. Yeah, nina. The spices be now you just add it to your chicken and it will taste and the aroma. So when you so touch your muscle. You rinse your blender. You have to throw blender and now wish you need eggs. It is a saying me Jenny. My yasha honenuni. You. Until Kwana be quick and very, very tasty. Because if you not share good onion and I'm use. Add my salt. The tin tomatoes crack it will be yeah. Just a pinch, a little bit. Say me share me tomatoes and also match you with the down tin. I bad a number be soon in cotton. The pottle. Na machu mo kakra na ye de good akoko no so yeah me poto na me son so ti kakra wo ma anya we so ti say en benum na machu mo kakra na fe de ye de akan ye nkwan no ho and we are done fast cutting fine peanuts soup okay ti ye go so as I fear we are taking kakra you this is in Ushaya, fine. More oil in the corners. So, being fine. Made subegum, Nameshiagu, Namno, from oil. See, and I'm not so, and why fine. Nedeno, this is in Ushiagu, and I'm not so. If you can near soup already. You soon depending how I'll put soup in it thick. Then you add your water. Now doing sooner comes. Cutting panaya is work across night thick. Benito, yeah. Made a miss spices. Here you go. Pepper. Mentia kakra. Coriander kakra, kitchen kakra. I'm in Afra. Dry rosemary kakra. Young quine napping, quine I am quine. Shank at the quine papa be, nanny ham no. Yea, and I'm near, Mr. Brian did it. Hey, did it, fufu. And I bum, and I am and what the china na media medium on because pese a moon pick a crown, so I just power womb. Thanks for watching.